Open WebUI versus LibreChat. So which one is better? Let's find out. Let's go to their features and customization. Open WebUI offers a modern interface which supports multiple AI models, and it has strong developer customization options, while LibreChat focuses on simplicity, privacy, and self-hosting while also supporting multi-model switching. And let's go to their ease of setup and hosting. Open WebUI can be slightly more complex to set up, but it offers more advanced settings, while LibreChat is easier to install and configure, ideal for users who just want a plug-and-play experience. Let's go to their performance and speed. Both of them deliver fast responses, but OpenWebUI has more options for caching and optimizing performance. And let's go to their community and updates. OpenWebUI has an active GitHub community pushing frequent updates, while LibreChat also receives regular updates, but its focus is more on stability and privacy. So, for final verdict, if you want advanced features, developer flexibility, and modern UI, you can go for OpenWeb UI. But if you want a privacy-focused, easy-to-host solution, LibreChat is the best for you. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.